first, here to tell you a little more about today's weather forecast. America's favorite weather person, Al.
Hi everybody, here's today's forecast for the Universal Backlot. It's going to be sunny and dry in 6 Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Liddy Wood. Expect snow and sleet on New York Street. And we've got a high chance of fog and precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Isla Nublar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the lot.
All right, it says here we have a flash flood warning, but I don't know if that's anything we need to worry too much about. We've got some rain coming out the left-hand side of the Strand, but I'm sure we'll be fine. Out of curiosity, stay parked here for just a moment. We're going to see what happens.
Flash flood coming.
That flash flood area so you can see what it looks like on camera. Alright, guys, take a seat. Take a seat, thank you.
You can't outrun the wolf, kid! Yeah, we'll see about that. Hey, you're funny
We're now going to be driving past some of our Western sets. These are the oldest sets that we have on the backlot, built way back here in the silent film era. And some of the biggest Western stars of all time have walked these streets at one time or another. We are going to be entering into our second and most likely final quiet zone of the studio. So remember, they're currently filming Home and Family out here as well. So I'm going to do a quick reminder. We're about halfway through the tour. So if you need to get my attention for any reason, use that emergency cord. Even if you drop an item, don't hop off to retrieve it yourselves. I will do it. Just use that cord. Quickly, I'm going to tell you what we're going to see in the quiet zone. You're going to see the original Black Lagoon from Creature from the Black Lagoon. That'll be coming up off to the left. You're also going to see Little Europe, where they filmed the exteriors for The Good Place, and also where they filmed scenes from all of our classic Universal monster films over the years. I will silently throw examples of all of these things on the screens as we head through the quiet zone. We're going to reconvene inside this large-scale mechanical effects soundstage just off to the right in a couple minutes. I'm going to be off mic for until then. Everyone hang tight.